Okay, here's a quick tour of this cabinet here. So there's a whole whack of different profiles here. This is the jig system. Well, you can see it's right in here. The dovetail jig system that I used to do this cabinet. Now it's a little unconventional to dovetail Baltic birch, but it actually worked out real well. There's a Craig K3 system in here, and there's some additional clamps. Got a whack of screws and plugs and such. Just some miscellaneous stuff in all of these. I've had to do a little bit of rearranging. Feather boards, a number of blades for the table saw. I believe they're all fried inserts. Oh my. Stare it. We can just go on here for all of this. There's combination squares, there's dividers, there's and it's all of condition enough that you would really question whether it was ever used. There's a number of router bits on here, a number of them there, and well, a couple more. And while we're on the topic of router bits, we have this box here, which is got a whole whack of them. There's a number of them here that when I had them sharpened, haven't been used since. Lee Valley Brad Point drill set. This is a very impressive set. I love these brad points. Dusty, but they're all barely used and give an exceptionally clean cut hole. Another drill bit set. Some miscellaneous striking knives. We've got here. Oh, these are the screwdriver set for the Lee Nielsen tools specifically. They're all Cocobolo handles. Not that one. That's a cherry, and it's a Lee Nielsen as well, but I got that before I decided to get the whole set here. And it's all in a leather pouch system here. More Lee Nielsen stuff. These chisels are again keeping with the Cocobolo theme. There we can see a mirror edge on there. The way I look at it is, if you can't shave with it, it isn't sharp enough. And this set, it comes with a leather pouch as well. These are all my mortising chisels. Hornbeam handles, because I don't want to put on Cocobolo on something that typically is being pounded away at. So there's quarter, there we are, quarter, 3/8 and 1/2 inch. Next one on the bottom. Oh, this is a 3/4 inch threading system. I've actually used this a couple of times. It's a really good system. Works amazingly well. Lee Valley extra long sanding drum. There's a whack of them in there. I had to do something deeper than the spindle sander could handle. Miscellaneous squeeze clamps. These are for the Bessie clamps for these jobs here. If just put the bar, the clamp in there and keep it up. If you're clamping a panel. Oh, and this is this is Bessie as well. It's an extender, so you can put the end of the one bar clamp in here and the other one on there, and end up with an effective, very long clamp. This is the strap clamp. Again, Bessie unit. Some more squeeze clamps. Some more little guys here. What else we got? Oh, just assorted stuff. You know, so there's my long concrete bits and some others. There's a 1/2-inch Irwin in there and a few others. What else we got here? Again, miscellaneous stuff. My sharpening drawer. There's a skew registration. This is a Lee Valley tool. This is for to hold a file for sharpening scrapers. Here's a spare set of brand new blades for the jointer, burnisher, and this here I just finished using this. This is a quarter cable template for putting in door hinges. Works really well. Anyway, my Shopton collection. These are amazing stones. They're glass backed and exceptional. So we've got everything from 1,000, 4,000, 8,000, 16,000 grit, and in here, will this open nicely? No, this is my this is the diamond stone. This one here. These are here are not cheap stones by any stretch of the imagination. But the diamond stone, this is for, in order to flatten these stones, to ensure that there's no curvature to them as you use them over time. What else we got? A couple of circle jigs, a smaller circle jig and a large one. You mount that right on the router, and then the center point being over there. A couple of coping saws and a fret saw here. A really teeny weeny little blade, and there's a whack of blades for all of them. Lathe tools, big, heavy, dynamic blades here, or tools here. They're really heavy. I've only used a couple of times, and there's zero chatter with those puppies. And a big, long 1/2-inch gouge here. And just some other assorted stuff. There's a jig for setting the knives on the jointer. Anyway, that's it for this cabinet.